R&T Reliability Technologies microscope equipment as used in the lab. The near-side microscope is an Olympus 16 times stereo zoom, magnification range from 0.5 to 200. The far-away microscope is the Olympus BX51 clinical research and industrial microscope, magnification range from 50 to 1,000 times. We need 1,000 times to image the oil film thickness. The right-hand image displays the reference calibration slide with micron scale used for measuring sizes on the microscope. The fine scale in the center of the circle is 1 millimeter long. The following images display the relationship between oil film thickness, the scale, and the magnification used. The gradule from the calibration slide is the upper left image. The gradule is 1 millimeter long. The red bracket represents 1 human hair diameter. The lower left image is the wear debris analysis slide from the hydraulic system. The right-hand image displays the distance of the objective lens from the sample being focused on. The image at 100 times displays there is abnormal wear occurring and enables the particle count to be established. It's an ISO 2016, using ISO 4407 515 micron microscope count. But not enough image detail yet to 100% diagnose the reason for the fine metallic particles. This image at 200 times illustrates how the 1 ml oil sample provides an accurate rendition of the level and density of fine dirt and metallic wear debris being carried around the hydraulic system on the hydraulic fluid flow. This viewing at 500 times diagnoses the abnormal wear mode. The hydraulic system has been lightly dusted and running in a light to moderate abrasive wear mode. The left-hand vertical red lines display the lubrication film thickness. The red bracket now represents 0.2 human hair diameters. Note how the ferrous abrasive wear particles are larger than the lubrication film thickness. At 1,000 times, the fine silica crystals glowing lightly in the background root causes the catalyst for the abnormal wear, confirming just how thin the lubrication film thickness is. This light abnormal wear will continue while silica crystals are present in the application. The upper left red bracket now represents 0.1 or 1/10 of a human hair diameter. Here we have an alignment of all the previous microscope images, each image displaying its correlation with magnification and oil film thickness. Notice the level of magnification required before we can even detect the lubrication film thickness. This highlights how incredibly thin it is, sometimes only a few molecules thick, and how fine hard airborne particles can rupture and penetrate the lubrication film, sometimes causing serious abrasive wear damage to machinery.